Hi everyone, welcome to my A-Level Biology lecture series. In this lesson, we will explore the need for a meiosis. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the need for a reduction division during meiosis in the productions of gametes. Let's get started. So what are the role of meiosis? In sexual reproduction, it is essential to have the number of chromosomes before fertilization takes place. This means gametes, those sperm and eggs, are haploid cells. They contain only one set of unpaired chromosomes. And this is very important to prevent the chromosome number from doubling every generation. Try to imagine that if gamete is diploid, so when fertilization, the number of chromosomes will be doubled. So, because of the gametes are haploids, during fertilization, the fusion of these two gametes or these two haploid gametes form a diploid zygote, which is denoted by 2N. So, by doing so, this restores the species' original chromosome number. And the special type of these cell divisions that have the chromosome number is known as meiosis. Meiosis is often referred to as reduction division because it reduces the chromosome number by half. Other role of meiosis includes introductions of genetic variation into gametes through independent assortment and crossing over. We are going to learn the process of meiosis as well as how meiosis introduces genetic variation in the next lesson. These diagrams show how the reduction division meiosis involved in the productions of gametes. So you can see that from this diagram, to an individual with 46 chromosome male and 46 chromosome female in the ovary, meiosis takes place to form female gametes, which is an ovum with haploid number n equal to 23. In the testes, similar event take place during gametogenesis. Meiosis half the number of chromosomes from 46 to 23. So when these two gametes fertilize or fuse together during fertilization, so it restores back the original diploid number of the chromosome, which is n equal to 23 plus n equal to 23. So therefore, a total of 2n equal to 46. And continue from here, the mitosis and development helps this diploid zygote to develop and specialize into the different tissues, organ, and form the multicellular adult. So therefore, this concludes the role of meiosis. And with that, we have come to the end of this lesson. Hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section. See you in the next lesson and have a great day.